How do you accurately calculate sick leave accrual for employees? Imagine you're managing a team and want to make sure everyone's sick leave is tracked fairly and correctly. Knowing how to do this can prevent confusion and keep your records straight. Let's walk through the steps to get it right. First, you need to know the sick leave accrual rate. This rate is usually set by your company policy or by state and local laws. It might be 1 hour of sick leave for every 30 hours worked or a different ratio. Some laws requiring a minimum accrual rate, so it's important to check what applies in your location. Next, you'll measure the actual hours the employee worked during the accrual period. This means counting only the hours they were on the clock, not paid time off like vacation or holidays, unless your policy states otherwise. For example, if an employee worked 160 hours in a month and the accrual rate is 1 hour per 30 hours worked, you'll divide 160 by 30. That gives you about 5.3 hours of sick leave earned for that month. Then, multiply the hours worked by the accrual rate. Using the previous example, 160 hours times 0.025 equals for hours of sick leave accrued. This calculation can be done monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on your company's rules. Some employers divide the annual sick leave entitlement by 12 to determine monthly accrual. It's also important to track how much sick leave the employee has used. When they take time off, subtract those hours from their total balance. Many laws allow unused sick leave to carry over into the next year, but some set caps. For example, an employee might be able to carry over up to 40 hours of unused sick leave each year. You should also consider the benefit year, which is the 12-month period your company uses for sick leave. During this time, accruals add up until they reach the maximum limit. Once the cap is hit, no more sick leave accrues until sum is used. Part-time employees or exempt employees paid monthly might have different methods for calculating accruals. For part-timers, you might prorate based on hours worked, while for salaried exempt employees, you might base accruals on the number of days or weeks worked. Remember, it's vital to keep accurate records of hours worked, sick leave earned, used, and remaining. This helps ensure compliance with labor laws and prevents disputes. Laws often specify minimum accrual rates, rules for usage, and payout requirements for unused sick leave. In summary, to calculate sick leave accrual correctly, you need to know the accrual rate, measure hours worked, multiply those hours by the rate, track leave used, and follow your company's caps and policies. Staying organized and compliant makes managing employee benefits much easier and fairer for everyone.